Hello, it is me, Professor Griswold, for the last time. Now, today I'm going to be talking to you about keys, because the key in the imprisonment of all of the characters, the key to unlock it is love. Now, keys were here before the birth of Christ, and they are actually mentioned in the Old Testament. Now, these keys were used with wooden pegs to keep it from unlocking. It is very basic and crude in design. Now, most people use ropes as a lock to keep something locked to protect it. Now, then the other locks came and required keys to open them, but the key to open it was an actual key. Now, some people might use this as a key. That is your average paperclip. Now, the key is love in this book, and that is how these two relate. Now, I would like to say goodbye to all of you because this is the last week. So, goodbye!